wonderful viewers, still on fractions. Let's explore three major types of fractions. First, we have proper fractions, which are those fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. In other words, when the number on top of the fraction, that is the numerator, is smaller than the number at the bottom, which is the denominator, then the fraction is called a proper fraction. Let's say we have an example. Let's say we have a circle with 4 parts. Now let's shade out one. So this will be equal to 1/4. Why? Remember, we said the denominator is our whole. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. So our denominator will be 4. We have just one part shaded. So our numerator will be 1. Remember, proper fraction, the numerator has to be smaller than the denominator. Now, if we shade out 2 parts, this will be equal to 2/4. Other examples of proper fraction are like 5/6, 9/12, and so on and so forth. Secondly, we have the improper fraction, which is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. It means the fraction is equal to or more than a whole. In other words, when the number on top of the fraction, that is the numerator, is greater than the number at the bottom, which is the denominator, then the fraction is called an improper fraction. Let's say we have an example. Let's say we have an example. And another circle. And here, let's say we shade all the parts. So this is a whole. And here, let's take out 1. So this 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5. So this will give us 5/4. Remember, our denominator is the whole. We are having 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer here is 5/4. There are other examples of improper fraction like the 6/5. We still have 9/7 and so on and so forth. What matters there is that in improper fraction, the numerator is higher than the denominator. Thirdly, we have the mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are fractions that shows a whole part and a smaller part together. Let's say we have an example. So we have an example. Then here, let's just take out 1 part. So this is 2 whole now. So it will be equal to 2 whole number, this smaller part, 1/1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So if I should shade out 1 extra part here, this will give us 2 whole number, over 4. Some other examples are like 1 whole number, 3 over 5. 3 whole number, 2 over 6, and so on and so forth. Improper fractions can be easily converted into mixed fraction. I don't want you to forget that part. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.